Hi folks, this is Tim with Narhi Auctions. Hey, this is the David Templeton's truck with SDM Enterprises, and David's 51 years in business has decided to step out of the business. So we're going to be getting rid of some equipment right now, and this is the truck on his fleet right here. This is a 1995 Ford L8000 truck. This was his mainstay for work, and so this truck has been really impeccably maintained. It's got an 8.3 Cummins diesel in it. That's 550 cubic inches for the record. It's got a 511 rear axle, 9-speed Fuller transmission rather. The 7-ton IMT hydraulic crane. It's got the outriggers on it, 16-foot steel deck with a flatbed. It's got good rubber all the way around on it. 7 storage compartments plus a toolbox. 789 on the miles, 789,000. And it's got a 15-horse Champion air compressor, hydraulic drive. Everything's hydraulic on that thing. So, hey, David, you want to give them a little demonstration? Got new batteries in this truck. He hasn't used it a lot this year, so when he left it over the winter, the clock ran the batteries down and one froze out. Just put new ones in it. Move it forward and back a little, maybe. And move it forward and back a little for us. It's got air brakes. Once again, 9-speed transmission in it. Pretty well equipped truck. Been a good truck for him. Runs good. Say, this was his mainstay for his operation. So there she is.